Ever feel like your money is playing hide and seek, and you're always the one searching? You're not alone. In today's world, with bills coming from every direction, subscriptions popping up like mushrooms after a rain, and the constant temptation of online shopping, getting a clear picture of your finances can feel like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. You meticulously track your expenses for a week, maybe two, in a spreadsheet that quickly becomes a graveyard of half-filled cells and forgotten transactions. Or perhaps you rely on mental math, a strategy that often crumbles under the weight of daily life. The truth is, traditional budgeting methods can feel tedious, restrictive, and ultimately unsustainable. They often require a level of manual input and constant vigilance that many of us simply don't have the time or energy for. You might start with the best intentions, meticulously categorizing every coffee and streaming service, only to find yourself overwhelmed and giving up weeks later. The result? That nagging feeling that you're not in control of your money, that your financial goals are always just out of reach. But what if there was a smarter way? What if you could gain clarity and control over your finances without spending hours hunched over spreadsheets or feeling like you're constantly depriving yourself? That's where Rocket Money swoops in, not as another complicated budgeting app, but as your intelligent financial ally. Think of Rocket Money as your personal financial detective and automated assistant rolled into one sleek, user-friendly platform. It connects to your various financial accounts, bank accounts, credit cards, investment accounts, even loan providers, and automatically pulls in all your transactions. This eliminates the tedious manual data entry that makes traditional budgeting such a chore. Instead of you chasing down every penny, Rocket Money does the heavy lifting for you, giving you a comprehensive and real-time view of your financial landscape. But simply aggregating your data is just the first step. Where Rocket Money truly shines is in its ability to analyze this information and provide you with actionable insights. It intelligently categorizes your spending, identifying where your money is actually going. Suddenly, those small, seemingly insignificant daily expenses, the impulse coffee, the quick lunch, the occasional app subscription, are no longer invisible. Rocket Money presents them to you clearly, often in visually intuitive charts and graphs, revealing patterns you might not have been aware of. This newfound awareness is the foundation of smarter budgeting. You can't fix what you don't see. One of the most lauded features of Rocket Money is its subscription management tool. How many times have you signed up for a free trial, only to forget about it and get charged month after month for a service you no longer use? Or perhaps you have multiple streaming subscriptions, some of which you barely watch. Rocket Money scans your connected accounts for recurring charges and presents them in one easy-to-manage list. With a few clicks, you can identify and cancel unwanted subscriptions directly through the app, potentially saving you significant amounts of money each month without any effort on your part. It's like having a dedicated assistant whose sole job is to trim the fat from your monthly bills. Beyond subscriptions, Rocket Money can also help you identify and negotiate better rates on your existing bills. This feature, often referred to as bill negotiation, works by analyzing your recurring expenses like internet, phone, and cable bills. Rocket Money then researches comparable rates in your area and, with your permission, will contact your service providers to negotiate a lower price on your behalf. This hands-off approach can save you time and the often awkward experience of haggling with customer service, putting more money back in your pocket effortlessly. But Rocket Money isn't just about cutting expenses, it's also about helping you build a more robust financial future. The app allows you to set clear financial goals, whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. You can define the target amount and the desired time frame, and Rocket Money will help you track your progress, showing you how much you need to save each month to stay on track. This visual representation of your goals can be incredibly motivating, turning abstract aspirations into tangible milestones. 1. MarketRealist.com. MarketRealist.com. Furthermore, Rocket Money offers features to help you manage your debt more effectively. If you have credit card debt or other loans, the app can provide insights into your interest rates and payment schedules, helping you identify opportunities to save money on interest and accelerate your debt payoff journey. It can even help you explore options for debt consolidation or refinancing, empowering you to take control of your liabilities. Another powerful aspect of Rocket Money is its budgeting tools. While it automates much of the tracking, it also allows for customization. You can set spending limits for different categories, such as groceries, entertainment, or transportation. Rocket Money will then monitor your spending in real time, alerting you if you're approaching or exceeding your budget in any area. This proactive approach helps you stay within your limits and avoid overspending before it becomes a problem. Unlike rigid traditional budgets that can feel suffocating, Rocket Money offers a flexible framework that adapts to your spending habits while still providing the necessary guardrails. The beauty of Rocket Money lies in its seamless integration into your daily life. Once you've connected your accounts and set your preferences, the app works quietly in the background, constantly monitoring your financial activity and providing you with valuable insights without requiring constant manual input. You can check the app periodically to review your spending, track your progress towards your goals, and manage your subscriptions and bills, all in one centralized and intuitive interface. This ease of use makes budgeting less of a chore and more of an empowering tool. Moreover, Rocket Money understands that your financial situation is unique and evolves over time. The app offers a degree of personalization, allowing you to customize categories, set your own goals, and tailor the insights to your specific needs. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution, but rather a dynamic platform that adapts to your individual financial journey. Think about the peace of mind that comes with knowing exactly where your money is going, effortlessly identifying and eliminating unnecessary expenses, and having a clear roadmap towards your financial goals. This isn't about deprivation, it's about making informed decisions and aligning your spending with your priorities. Rocket Money empowers you to take control of your financial narrative, moving from a place of uncertainty and overwhelm to one of clarity and confidence. It transforms budgeting from a dreaded task into an empowering tool for achieving your dreams. By automating the tedious aspects of tracking and analysis, Rocket Money frees up your time and mental energy to focus on what truly matters, making progress towards your financial aspirations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.